Welcome to Viewers Hobby channel. Just a quick update on my WLtoys RWD Drift Project. There's not much progress, to be honest. I just replaced the front swing shafts with the disassembled ones from my front wheel drive experiment. You can watch how to do it from link in the description. Then I pull the drive cuffs off the front one-way too. Finally, I install Gyro by using double-sided tape with thick and soft foam to reduce the vibration. That's it, just make it rear-wheel drive, put Gyro on and go for test drive. Every setup is still the same as before. This is not what I call controlled slide, so I remove the weight at the front and see if that improves anything. Well, it doesn't spin as easily as before, but it is still hard to hold the slide. This is another test with grippy rear tires. The car feels better and faster, but this makes the car understeers a lot. And that concludes my first test with how Gyro works. I am going to find some way to increase the steering angle, then look into camber and caster later. That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.